Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 Ultra, and let me share with you how to reset network preferences on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here in this left section we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find the general management. Now let's find reset option, and here we have to find the option reset network settings. Now let's tap on reset settings. Your device is informing you what it will actually reset, so let's tap on it, and if you've got any kind of lock screen, you will have to enter it to confirm. Right here we've got the information that all network settings will be reset and you cannot undo this action, so just tap on reset if you're ready, and as you can see, the network settings have been reset successfully. Alright, so that'll be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.